What kind of transactions are considered as supply even if there is no consideration under GST? There are situations in business when goods or services have to be supplied free of cost. There could be many reasons for the same. It could be on account of advertisement, tax planning and many other reasons. Under GST, following type of transactions would be considered as supply even if there is no consideration. Permanent transfer, disposal of business assets where input tax credit has been availed on such assets. On plain reading and interpretation of the above, it seems that any business asset if disposed free of cost would be considered as supply of goods. On other hand, if capital assets are disposed, then still GST is payable on such transaction. As of date, clarity is yet to come on at what rate and on what value GST is payable. Supply of goods or services between related persons, or between distinct persons as specified in Section 10, when made in the course or furtherance of business, it is quite a common practice to underprice or overprice of goods or services between related parties. In this scenario, sometimes services or goods are supplied free of cost. To address such practices, this provision is there in GST. Also, a taxable person under GST would be required to register if he has multiple businesses or location across states in India. When this happens, registration would be required separately with each state GST. In this context, such multiple locations of the same business will be treated as distinct person, and therefore any supply of goods or services will be treated as supply. Supply of goods. By a principal to his agent where the agent undertakes to supply such goods on behalf of the principal, or by an agent to his principal where the agent undertakes to receive such goods on behalf of the principal. 4. Importation of services by a taxable person from a related person or from any of his other establishments outside India, in the course or furtherance of business.